Welcome to How to Cook Chicken. Today we are going to be cooking bacon and goat cheese stuffed chicken breasts with balsamic glaze. The ingredients you will need for this are some olive oil, chicken breasts, goat cheese, strips of cooked bacon, basil leaves and some balsamic vinegar. Directions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius, gas mark 5. Butterfly the chicken breasts and season the exposed surface with salt and pepper. Then add some of the goat's cheese, crumbled bacon and basil leaves onto each breast. Fold the breast back over and secure with wooden toothpicks if desired. Heat the olive oil over a medium heat in an oven-safe skillet. When hot, sear the stuffed chicken breasts. Once browned on the bottom, carefully turn each breast over and repeat on the other side. Place the skillet in the oven and cook for 25 to 30 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, reduce the balsamic vinegar to a thick syrupy consistency. To serve, drizzle with the balsamic glaze. This goes well with a mixed green salad or roasted vegetables. If you would like a copy of the full recipe, please click on the link in the description below.